Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how you can add a passcode to your account. So basically, once you turn your PlayStation back on, you have multiple accounts, and the account that you play on, you want there to be passcode. You don't want like maybe one of your siblings, etc., to log in without your permission. And basically I'm just showing you how to like add a passcode. So you can just go ahead and go to settings. From settings, what you're going to do is you're going to go to users and accounts. From here, go to accounts, and then profile. No, sorry, login settings all the way at the down. My bad. Login, and then what you're gonna do is you can go to require a PS5 login password, and you can make it whatever you want. So I'm gonna just do R1, 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 and then you do it one more time, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.